It would be very helpful if you first try to solve the problem yourself before watching this video.
Question 253. If f prime is defined by this, where m is a positive constant and m is greater than 1, then which of the following intervals of x is the graph of f increasing? The graph of f is increasing whenever f prime is positive, right? So we're going to find the critical points of f and perform the first derivative test, right? Okay, let's do that. So f prime is equal to mx minus 1 over x squared plus 4, and set that is equal to 0 first. Okay, f prime is equal to 0 whenever numerator of this expression is equal to 0, right? So mx minus 1 is equal to 0, then mx is equal to 1, x is equal to 1 over m, right? Now draw the number line. Draw the number line. Here is x. So we have a critical point 1 over m, and we have two intervals to test. Well, this is only the critical point, right? If we set f prime is undefined, then denominator must be equal to 0, but x squared is always greater than or equal to 0. So x squared plus 4, this is always positive, right? This is always positive. So we don't have any x value where f prime is undefined, right? So this is only critical point. So let's test for f prime, the sign of f prime. Okay, remember, m is a positive constant and m is greater than 1, right? So 1 over m, this value is positive number, right? It is positive number. Here, 1 over m is greater than 0, positive number, but m is greater than 1. So it is less than 1, right? So we're going to substitute value that is less than 0, or whatever number that is less than 1 over m, right? So let's just put 0, okay? So 0 for x, 0 for x. So what's f prime then? F prime is equal to negative 1 over 4, which is negative, right? So this interval is negative. So far so good? Okay, this interval right here, let's substitute 1, because 1 is greater than 1 over m. Then our f prime is equal to, if we substitute 1 here, let's substitute 1 here. Oops, 1. Then that's going to be m minus 1 over 5, right? Remember, m is greater than 1. This value is greater than 1, right? So all of this is positive. So we have a positive here, right? So the interval where the graph of f is increasing, f prime must be positive. So on this interval, f is increasing, which is from 1 over m to infinity. So the answer must be B, right?